Hi, my name is Aayushi, and 7 months ago I started my full stack development course from Grras Solutions, which was recommended by my uncle. It was a well-designed course with practical orientation. At first I had very little knowledge about this course, but Grras really helped me with all the basics by explaining everything structure-wise. I am satisfied with the training given by Mr. Ravi sir. The faculty was kind enough to make all the doubts clear. I really recommend this course to my juniors as well as my friends and my colleagues. I had one of the best learning experience from counseling to placements. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nitin Verma. I am studying BCA from University Maharajas College, and I am also studying Python from Grras Solutions Private Limited. My friend suggested me to join the Python course with him. I'm very happy to join the Grras Solutions Private Limited because they provide better faculties in Jaipur, and they give us the practical and project and training, and I'm very happy with the teachers, the way they taught us, and the staff members and all the trainees was awesome. The faculty was awesome, and any of my friends and family members want to join the coaching related to coding, and they were very interested in coding, so I definitely recommend them to join the Grras Solutions Private Limited.